warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fatima Zakia Yumna. You can call me Yumna. I study in Miss Al-FADLILIYah Darussalam Ciamis. Third grade. I would like to tell you about the story. The Fox and Cat. One day, Cat and the Fox were having a conversation. The Fox, who was a conceited creature, boasted how clever she was. Ha 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 ha! Why, I know at least 100 tricks to get away from our mutual enemies, the dogs, she said. Meow! I know tricks to get away from dogs, said the cat. You should teach me some of yours. Well, maybe someday when I have the time, I may teach you a few of the simple ones, replied the fox. Just then, they heard the barking of a pack of dogs in the distance. The barking grew louder and louder. Woof, 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 woof. The dogs were coming their direction. At once, the cat ran to the nearest tree and climbed into its branches. Stay away from the dogs. Meow! Hey fox, this is the trick I told you about. The only one I know. Which one of your 100 tricks are you going to use? But the fox sat silently under the tree, wondering which trick she should use. Before she could make up her mind, the dogs arrived. Hey, fox! I will kill you! Ha 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 ha! Huh? Oh no! They fell upon the fox and tore her into pieces. Ah, help me! No, help me! Somebody help me, please! I will not die! Help me! The fox died. The end of the story. So that from the story we can get some lesson. If you could plan, that's worth 100 double plan. That's enough from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.